Today we talk about how can you disable promotions notifications uh, on your Robinhood app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then here you just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on notifications and messages here. Then you click here on push notifications. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here permissions here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here permissions notifications disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.